F-Secure VPN is a popular option, but before you decide to buy it, there are 12 things you need to know. Let's take a closer look at how it compares to other VPNs out there, so you can make an informed decision. First off, F-Secure VPN is easy to use. Whether you're a beginner or more experienced, its simple interface is a plus, allowing you to quickly connect to the servers you need without unnecessary complexity. While some VPNs, like ExpressVPN, have more advanced features, F-Secure is great for those who want something that's streamlined and doesn't require a steep learning curve. The second thing you should know is its pricing. F-Secure offers a subscription model with monthly, yearly, and 2-year options. It's a bit pricier than some competitors like NordVPN, but the added security features make it worth considering. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this might not be the most affordable, but it does come with a solid set of features. Next, let's talk about speed. F-Secure VPN delivers decent speeds in most regions, but it can sometimes be slower than other top VPNs, like CyberGhost or Surfshark. However, unless you're doing intensive tasks like 4K streaming or heavy downloads, its performance should be enough for casual browsing or securing public Wi-Fi. The fourth thing to note is server coverage. F-Secure VPN has a decent number of servers across multiple countries, though it doesn't quite match the expansive networks of providers like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. If global server access is crucial for you, consider this limitation. Another important factor is security. F-Secure uses AES-256 encryption, which is industry standard and highly secure. You get a no-logs policy as well, which means your data isn't stored or shared with third parties. This is a strong point, as some VPNs like PureVPN have faced controversies regarding user data. The sixth thing is customer support. F-Secure VPN offers 24/7 live chat support, which is always a plus. While the support is generally responsive, it's not as fast as some competitors like ExpressVPN, who often have faster response times. Moving on, the seventh thing is that F-Secure VPN doesn't support P2P file sharing. If you're someone who frequently downloads torrents, you might want to look at a VPN like CyberGhost or NordVPN, which have dedicated servers for that purpose. The eighth thing is the lack of a dedicated kill switch. While it has a basic kill switch, some other VPNs like NordVPN and Surfshark offer more robust protection. Without a kill switch, you might be exposed if your VPN connection drops unexpectedly. The ninth point is that F-Secure doesn't offer as many extras as other VPNs. You won't find specialized servers for streaming or double VPN features that you get with options like NordVPN. However, for those looking for basic protection, this may not be an issue. The 10th thing is compatibility. F-Secure VPN supports all major devices, including Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android. It doesn't have the same wide variety of compatibility with smart TVs or routers as ExpressVPN, but it's sufficient for most users. Another point to consider is the free trial. F-Secure VPN doesn't offer a free trial for its full version, but it does offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're hesitant about committing, you can always test it out for a month and get a refund if it doesn't meet your expectations. The 12th and final point is that F-Secure VPN is a solid choice for privacy, security, and ease of use. It's not the best option in terms of features, but if you're looking for a reliable VPN that does the basics well, this could be the one for you. It's an especially good choice if you're already using F-Secure's other products, like their antivirus software. Overall, F-Secure VPN is a good option, but if you want a better all-around VPN with more features and a better value, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.